This weekend, around 100 semi-trucks will be parked outside of the Tyson Events Center. It's all part of the annual Life Rolls On truck show that's raising money for the Madonna Rehabilitation Hospital. The event's founder, Thomas Joy, was a truck driver himself. And in January of 2016, he was in a single vehicle accident that broke his neck and his back. He then spent 53 days at the hospital there in Lincoln, Nebraska. He began Life Rolls on its way back to give back to the hospital, with all proceeds from the event sponsors, merchandising sales, and silent auction items going to the children's side of the hospital.
In my mind, you know, when you learn your hurt as an adult, it's a hard thing to comprehend. So I couldn't imagine being a child and not knowing how to put life back together. So if I can help raise some money and help put their life back together one piece at a time, that's all we need.
Over its 4 years, Life Rolls On has raised around $35,000 for the Madonna Rehabilitation Hospital. And if you'd like to check out the event, it'll be going on throughout the weekend at the Tyson Events Center, wrapping up tomorrow night.